All right. We need Sherman with the banjo. He plays a mean banjo.
Oh, no.
Dun, dun.
Can't have.
Oh, girl.
Oh, for goodness sake. Hold on, we got a.
The banjo is in the freezer.
Oh, is that a.
The banjo's
shrinking?
on ice.
We're giving it some shrinkage.
A little shrinkage.
Oh, I like that.
You like shrinkage?
Well, depends on what you're into.
All right.
No need to judge. This is a judgment-free zone, Bobby.
Oh, girl.
Oh wait, we forgot the spring. I was like, this seems a little too easy.
Where is the boing? Oh, the boing boing is down there,
Oh, hold on.
next to your beverage.
We need that before we do this part.
Yes.
Oh, goodness.
I would just stop recording and just start fresh.
Oh no, it's fun this way.
No. There's a
Absolutely.
there's a whole editing process.
All right, Sherman's got the banjo.
Yep. Yes. The silver one.
Okay.
You need the
I need that.
thing.
Oh, should
Devil's
we
in the
hold that
details.
One hopes.
It stops. It dead stops right there.
Oh God. They threaded different.
The diameters are the same. I did a quickie check with my pinky.
That's a quality tool there, sir.
Well, there wasn't much at hand.
Sherman calibrated pinky.
Yes.
The threads look about the same pitch.
Yeah. This is just look how boogered the old one is.
Now there is some boogerness, but it's several threads up.
Yeah.
I'm really hesitant to.
Try to get through the burr and then you'll be there. You're missing a banjo, sir.
Well, we can try it. Now the
Like the
reason
starter
this is aluminum, this isn't.
Maybe some galling.
And the stuff that isn't aluminum, very brittle. That's why when it goes that soon, you get the heebie-jeebies.
You get a little scared.
Should we put some stuff on there, or? Oh yeah, I guess you put the W40 already.
Oh.
That thing needs to point back though.
Which way should it point? I've got some time to go before I get there.
Oh, okay.
See?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Are you terrified yet, though?
No, because I'm not holding it that hard.
That's good.
The resistance is fairly, what's the right word for it? Consistent. It's just steady resistance.
You want copper washers in there?
There are.
Yeah, there's on each side.
Yeah, they're there.
Okay, like brakes.
Yes. It's the same deal.
Except they should have been annealed.
Yes. And we have video of you annealing those.
Oh, I put a vacuum advance on that.
Mm-hmm.
The NOS ones were over $100 each.
Good Lord.
And they're NOS. So
Yeah,
they're,
so the rubber's probably garbage anyway.
right. And like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful,
If it doesn't
Sherman.
move, you win.
So anyway, I went out and bought a modern one for a 73 Newport. And the arm that comes out of the advance went this way, and the one on this went this way. So I cut the one off that I needed and welded it to the other one.
That's my boy.
There you go.
And now you got one good one.
Sherman Custom Goodness.
That's the wrong way. Gotta go this way,
That's correct.
and then this goes where the.
You got the
thing
boing
lines up.
boing?
Yeah, that lines up on.
This has got to go in this way.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now, and that's this. You see this? This is
Yeah.
actually, there's a whole lot of science behind that cut. This is used. This
Yes.
one's used then too, eh?
I think it's
Yeah,
been
it's
redone,
rebuilt.
Rebuilt. Yeah.
It was sent to Ping and
Why is
redone.
Bing.
Bing, ping. Bing, bing.
I've worked on a lot of these actually. They're dirt simple carburetors.
Oh, yeah.
And the problem is in this little,
Which way does
in
this thing?
floaty
Is it?
land.
points
Doesn't
back
matter
towards
right
inside
now.
the car.
doesn't matter right now. What you want to do,
That thing goes into a groove.
oh, that goes in
There's a little
certain way.
groove.
Oh, I
yeah.
see, I see.
So you got to find that.
I got it. Well, there's two of them, but
It's the bigger one.
it's this one. There. Don't cross thread.
Ready, tighty, lefty,
It's
loosey.
You're still cross-thread.
Yeah, they're.
You're turning the wrong direction.
No, I know. I'm trying to get it where I get some
Ah!
bite.
There you
And
go.
that's not
Nope.
right. That thing's still not quite flat.
Hold it like this.
Because that copy will bite into that.
Like that.
There it is.
Don't forget, we do have some literature.
Ooh, documentation.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh no, it's fine.
Yeah, we're
There you
doing
go.
we're doing it the old read the instructions after.
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
And look at
See?
that. You have working throttle.
Look, she's
Give me a demo.
all right.
Vroom, vroom.
All right, Bobby.
Let's put her on.
Here.
You're in charge of the film.
Yeah, don't forget your gasket. Oh, it's already on
It's
there.
already there. All right.
Do we need to put some kind of stuff on there, or just?
It's fine.
All right. This is gas and.
It's fine.
Well done, Bobby.
We're trying.
Oh, we got your gas tank ready too.
We
The
got
magnet's not working.
This is the fun one to do.
Yeah, that looks like that's going to be a real bear.
Yeah.
Do you need a flashlight?
No, I just get my hand in there.
We need somebody with little fingers.
I have little fingers. I can just.
Oh, this is like when I was trying to do those window regulator bolts. They're like
Watch.
real tricky.
Got it right now.
Uh-oh.
Get in there.
She's been in some tight spaces before. Oh, so you missed this last week, right? Yeah. So we tried to start it. It had spark. It had
Too much fuel.
yeah. It was just gushing
Flooding.
fuel into the chamber. So we got a replacement carb here, and that's what we're installing now.
So that's the carburetor?
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting because this spring is actually what returned it. Yeah.
But it's a motorcycle carburetor.
Essentially.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Because it's a motorcycle engine.
Right.
Is it like quarter of a liter or something?
300
250
cc.
something. Oh, 300 cc's.
No.
You just said extra time on your hands.
Now, when we were doing that one,
You say
we had all the parts out, and the guy, when we originally bought it, was like on, I think they both may have been eBay, I think. But he was like, oh, it's like 98% complete. Well, it showed up and it was not 98% complete. Every part was taken off of it, yeah. No, that one.
Oh, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, they both were sight unseen.
So did you get this one on parts? Really?
We got this because it was all intact. Like,
Oh, so you know how to put things back together.
Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah, because they got a bunch of bags,
Yeah.
and it was like,
all
okay,
in Ziploc bags.
it's gonna be like us when we put Ready together.
This one was a parts manual, basically.
So we bought this.
You wanted hours.
So we just thought that this would be good class material. I don't really know what to do with this, actually.
Rat rod, Izetta.
They all keep saying that, you know.
I think, yeah,
Yeah.
put some,
Pop it anywhere here.
We need to definitely get some new shoes on her.
I would say definitely,
So,
probably be good with some seats too.
oh, there's no.
So we have the seat frame.
No, it's fine. Just put a, yeah, just throw
Halfway there.
a saddle blanket on it and you're ready.
Well,
Absolute saddle blanket all the way.
that's what Bobby was saying, like a Mexican saddle blanket or something, and just call it a day.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, like,
Or you could ride around. Yeah, there you go. Or you could, right, in the desert. Yeah.
I kind of dig
We
the
definitely have to
fuse
trip.
panel over here. Like, it's just the massive wires. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it was in Texas. It was like some barn find. Yeah.
Okay,
All right,
have a
Bobby,
carbonator.
Do you need gas?
I think
Well, you
so.
probably have
Oh, look
gas.
at it.
Oh, I feel like that's doing. Is that the idle adjuster?
That's the jet.
You can see it on this side too.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ow.
Sorry, girl. We're just trying to get some action shots here.
Ooh, action shots.
Man, I don't know if your video is gonna turn out as well as mine.
All right.
Well, we splice. We splice.
I'm just saying.
Overall. What does that say?
Yes, correct, bitches.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay.
Okay, is it time for guess?
Yes.